Hello, I'm Chef Peter Kungstek, and I'm here at the JW Marriott Orlando Bonnet Creek, and I'm here to show you our beef cheek ragu gnocchi dish. So, for starters, we have our gnocchis. These are our ricotta cheese gnocchis, and sometimes we also use a potato gnocchi as well. And I've included the recipe for the ricotta cheese gnocchis. I find that they're a little bit lighter, but if you wanted to go for a more heavier dish for hearty come winter time, the potato gnocchis are just as well. So I'm actually gonna drop them. I got a pot of boiling water, salted water as well, not too heavy on the salt, but just a little bit of salt. And then you're gonna wanna drop the gnocchis in, and we're gonna cook them till they float. So we're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil. Not extra virgin, because extra virgin will heat up to have a quicker smoking point. So then we're gonna add our garlic and our shallots. Wanna do it on a medium-high heat, and we just really wanna start to get them caramelized, because otherwise if you don't caramelize it enough properly, the garlic keeps a bitter flavor in, and that'll resonate through the dish. But as it starts to get the color changing, that's when we're gonna add our cremini mushrooms, our braised Swiss chard, and then gonna add our beef cheeks, stir that around a little bit. I'm just gonna switch my glove out. And then we have the juice from the beef cheeks, the braising liquid. Season throughout with a little bit of salt and pepper. And that's kind of getting a nice ragu. It's got a nice thick flavor there, looking really nice and saucy. Taste a little bit just to make sure seasoning's going good. And then we're gonna make sure our gnocchis are floating, which they are. It's okay if a little bit of the liquid gets in the pan too, because that kind of helps add just a little bit more moisture, and then as the gnocchi soak up all the juice themselves, you'll have a little bit of liquid and flavor resonating through the gnocchis and all throughout. And one thing, always hit when pasta or gnocchi comes out of the water, just a little bit of salt on top. And then we're just gonna kind of cook everything together. You see the nice Swiss chard. We like to use rainbow Swiss chard because then you can get some red colors, some greens really pop out. And then the mushrooms, we like to just chop in half versus slice, so that way you can actually see nice hearty chunks of mushrooms. This is a perfect dish for any type of seasons, but especially with autumn coming around. It's nice and hearty for when cold winter days in Florida. And then I like to finish it with a red wine aged pecorino. And coming from Wisconsin, I like to go heavy on the cheese. And then to finish off, we have some fresh oregano, which I picked from the JW garden outside. And you don't have to go heavy, but we'll just want a couple of flowerets on top just to accent, and you get some nice fresh herb flavoring throughout. Our braised beef cheek ragu with house-made gnocchis.